Today we'll see that how we can fill the form for the Binghamton University for the graduate program. So first click on create an account, then enter the email address, first name and the last name. What happens, some people don't have their last name, so in that case they can put their first name only in place of last name. Then enter your date of birth and click on continue. Now you must have received the temporary PIN on the email address which you have entered. So enter that temporary PIN here. And then your birth date again. And click on login. Now set the password. So your password must contain at least one letter, one capital letter, one number, and it must be of 12 characters. And then click on set password. Then open application and then create application and open application. Now choose the prefix, enter the preferred name, first name, then select the country of your permanent address, enter your full address, if mailing address is same as permanent, just click on this. Have you resided at your permanent address for more than 1 year? So select accordingly. Are you a New York State resident? Do you have a New York State driver's license? Select accordingly. Then enter the phone number and always add the number by adding +91 in the starting. Select your legal sex. Select the birth region and native language and primary citizenship. If you have dual citizenship, you can select or else leave it blank and continue. Now select the category of study, so arts and sciences. Select the program of the study, which is mathematics PhD. Select the semester, fall 2024. And then enter list your specific research, practice or performance interest. And then here enter the name of the faculty whom you would most interested in working. And then click on continue. Now here you need to add the details of your BSc as well as MSc. So click on add institution, enter the name of the institution, month and the year when you have started this degree, month and the year when you have completed it. Now the level of study, which is undergraduate, degree, Bachelor's of Science, expect the date on which you have received the degree, enter the major of your degree, GPA you have obtained on the scale of 10 and upload the unofficial transcript of the BSc. After uploading, click on save. Then again click on add institution, enter the name of the institution, month and the year when you have started this program, month and the year when you have completed it, level of study, master's level, degree, Master of Science, expected date of the degree, enter the major of your degree, GPA you have obtained on the scale of 10, and then upload the unofficial transcript of the MSc. After uploading, click on save and continue. Now here upload your CV. Click on continue. Again continue. Now here you need to upload the personal statement. So check the program requirements at what you need to add in this. And after adding, just upload that and click on continue. Again, continue. Now read the instructions for the test scores, and after reading, just click on continue. Add the recommenders. So check the program requirements at how many recommenders are required. So you can add accordingly. Click on add recommender. Select the prefix. Enter the first name, last name, organization, position or title, relationship, telephone, email address, and then choose I waive my right to access this report. Then enter your full name and click on send to recommender. Again, click on add recommender. Select the prefix. Enter the first name, last name, organization, position or title, relationship, telephone number, email address. Then again choose I waive my right to access this report and then enter your full name and click on send to recommender. Again click on add recommender, choose the prefix, enter your first name, last name, organization, position or title, relationship, telephone number, email address. In this, always choose I waive my right to access this report because your reports and the document should directly send to the university, not to someone else. Then enter your full name and click on send to recommender and continue. Now, which visa type do you currently hold? So, F1 student, enter the expiration date of the visa. Do you have a passport? So if you are clicking on yes, then you need to upload the copy of the passport here. Now, do you plan to bring any dependents with you? Select accordingly. Then the financial document. So select I would like to submit my document with my application. And then here you can select I'm not able if you don't have as of now and then click on continue. And if you have, then you can select I'm able to submit. And how did you hear about this program? So select accordingly. Have you ever been dismissed from a college for academic reasons? Select accordingly. Have you ever been dismissed from a college for disciplinary reasons? Select accordingly and then continue. Now enter your full name in place of the signature and click on confirm. Now, if you are satisfied with your application, click on Submit Application. And after submitting the application, you need to make a payment. And after doing the payment, you will be done with your application.